Spent the night here at a McDonald's and a gas station parking lot. The McDonald's is over there. Gas station's over there. Can't see neither one very good, can you? Old Russ still hasn't got motivated yet. He got just enough energy to wag his tail. He's about a bum like me. But what are we doing here? Well, I spent the night here in town because I gotta go take a drug test for a seasonal job coming up that I'm gonna do. So I figured I'd stay here in town where it was at. That way we could get up and wouldn't have to rush around and, you know, just take my time, get ready and go over there. Because, you know, I'm way off in the woods where, you know, it just takes a lot of time to get out of there, you know, break camp and get out of there and get to civilization. Anywho, no, that really made sense. I'm just stay here in town this night so I can get up, feed the dog, you know, get motivated and head on over and do it, which I'm fixing to do here in a minute. So let me get off here and get things put away. Remember to cover the dog's water bulbs. I usually forget and that water splashes everywhere every time, but yeah, let me get all that done. See if I can get this old lazy bum to get up. Hey, just enough energy to wag your tail, ain't it, pal? Either way, get motivated and get going, Russ. We'll be back in a minute. Well, I got the drug test complete. Came here to the big blue box store to get a few supplies. I didn't really show the drug testing building because that's, you know, really what am I going to show you? That's be kind of boring. But anywho, yeah, we're at the big blue box store to get it. Rusty some dog food, got me a few things. And now we're going to head on to the mailbox. No rush to get there, but my other package is there, so I'm gonna go ahead and, since I'm gonna be in that area, go ahead and swing by there and get it. Get my mail probably for one last time for a few months. Head to the town where the wedding's at, do that, and then we're gonna start heading north, I guess, after the wedding. Shit's, it's going by fast now. But speaking of my mailbox, it just popped in my head. Like I said, this will probably be the last time I check it. So if you send me anything, it's going to be a few months, probably 3, possibly 4 months for I even get back to my mailbox. I don't have a mail service set up, you know, where somebody gets my mail, sends it to me and all that. I don't have that set up. Really, at this point, I never really needed it. I wouldn't benefit from it because I just get a bunch of junk mail. But now that I'm getting a few things from my subscribers, I might consider setting one up. Like not too long ago, well, I actually got it a long time ago, but I got a sticker from a subscriber that was, I feel bad, it was probably 5 months ago. Had no clue it was in the mailbox, so I couldn't, you know, like let them know there'd be a while before I get it. I feel kind of bad. I wasn't ignoring you or not acknowledging what you did, but I didn't know about it. So yeah, so if you send me something, it could be a while before I see it, especially when I go out west. That's where I go for the winter, and it's, yeah, it'll be the whole winter before I see it. So, but I may check into a mail service and, you know, look around, because it would be handy in some cases for me. But anyhow, we'll worry about that later. Let's get on the road, go get our mail, and decide where we're going to stay for the night. Well, we made it into town for the wedding. Just to get to the point, it's too hot to stay in the RV. Actually, I would have stayed in the RV. I wouldn't have cared, but it's too hot for us to leave him in there. So as you can see, I'm not in the RV no more. Got me a little room. Not bad, not bad. Just your typical room. I mean, you know, I'm not going to show it all to you. Well, actually, I did show it all to you. That's it. I just meant I'm not going to walk around. It's your typical room. Not bad. I'm actually quite impressed. This is called the Big Springs Inn in Madisonville, Kentucky. 49 bucks a night. I know what you're thinking. $49 has got to be a dump. This is just as nice as a Days Inn or a Red Roof. Yeah, it's not the Bellagio. I mean, don't get me wrong, but it's pretty nice for 49 bucks. Plus, I had to give $10 a night for Russ, a pet fee. They do allow pets. It's in Madisonville, Kentucky. If you're passing through. Oh, don't forget the exit number. Just look up Big Springs Inn. It's the only one in town has that name. Nice people. They just very hospitalitous. They treated me very good when I checked in. Anywho, I'm going to hang out here for a few hours, enjoy this AC. Man, don't know how good it feels. It's 90 degrees outside. I like full-time travel. I got to sneeze. I like full-time travel. I like living in my RV. I don't like doing it on 90-degree days. So this is a blessing. Well worth the money. Poor old Russ. He's like, man, it's too hot out there, ain't it, buddy? He still got the old tail going. I just fed him supper excuse me. I just fed him lunch, so he just got his belly full. He's gonna lay here in the air conditioner. I'm gonna hang out here a few hours, and I gotta go to the church for rehearsal, and then we'll come back here, hang out for the night, and then tomorrow's the wedding. Right after the wedding, I gotta get on the road. Gotta go. But tonight when I get back, maybe tonight, might do it tomorrow. Yeah, I won't have time tomorrow. But anyway, there's something pretty cool right behind the motel. I'm gonna go check it out. Well, it's really not that big of a deal. It's pretty cool to me. But anyway, this afternoon when I get back, if it ain't too late, we'll go back there and check it out. All right, Rusty Russ, take you for a walk. All right, we'll see you guys in a minute. Well, got her did. Went to the wedding. Had a good time. Watched the little fella get married. But done left. All right, I've done left, and I forgot. I took off from the motel, and there was something behind it I was wanting to show you. Completely forgot. It wasn't no big deal. What it was an abandoned Walmart that's been closed down, but it was like I don't know how to describe it. It was almost like it was still open. There were still shopping carts out in the rack, and I don't know, it's just kind of eerie feeling. But I know it's been closed for years. I'm kind of familiar with this area. It's been closed for a long time, but I was going to go back there and was going to check it out, and I completely forgot. But anywho, the big news is me and old Russ done threw down some miles. We're nowhere even near to where we was. Yeah, we're in Minnesota. Get to turn around here and see. I'm inside. Believe it or not, it's almost 9:30, and I don't know. It's not the camera making it look this bright outside. It's. Oh, I forgot I got you on that screen. My bad. It really is that bright outside, and I'm in the same time zone I was back home. It's just, I don't know. Stays daylight a long time now. Anywho, old Rusty Russ. It's kind of dark in here. I know. He's done. Calling it a day. Here lately he's been sleeping with his head up underneath. That's the driver's seat of the RV. For some odd reason here lately he's been sleeping. He likes sticking his head up behind the seat and between this couch right here. I guess he just, I don't know, finds it relaxing, I guess. But that's where he's been sleeping lately. But I just got through eating. Got the back door open where I can hear the birds and see the trees and hear about the bees and all that good stuff. Yeah, we're in Minnesota. I'm gonna be here for a while. I don't know how long just yet, but yeah, we're gonna be here for a little while. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna end this video right here, and I'm gonna go for a little scooter ride tomorrow, because the weather's a lot better here. It's so cool, temperature-wise, nice and cool during the day, perfect at night. Open this window and just sleep like a baby. Back home is just miserable hot, miserable. The humidity and the high heat, nope, don't miss that. But anyway, I'm gonna get the little scooter out tomorrow, kind of do a little riding around, and we'll take you along with me and just see what we see. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video right here. I know it's kind of been a weird one. It's just been me. Hey, I'm leaving to go do something. I'll be back. But yeah, I was kind of on the schedule, a little bit rushed. I wanted to be there for the wedding, for Matt's wedding, and they kind of put me a crunch on the timeline there. I was kind of in a rush, so anywho, we got it done. He got married and I got to Minnesota, so I'm gonna end this right here, and well, in the next video I'll pick back up to where we're out there on the scooter ride. But anyway, to me and old Rusty Russ, oh, he raised his head up here, I'm gonna say his name. But anyway, to me and Rusty Russ, sees you again. God bless you.